Friends, welcome back my channel. My name is Meena. Today I am discuss with you. You have learned this the tenses. Tenses is the very easy, not difficult. Okay. I have the practice. I have the speaking practice, and I have the learn this the tenses. Okay. And I am speaking practice. This video is the helpful your tenses practice and speaking practice. Okay. You have how this the English practice, how this the learn this the grammar. I am teaching you this video. You have the learn this the grammar. Okay. Let's start. Tenses. 12 tenses is the I am practice, and you have learned this the tenses. Okay. I wash dishes. मी भांडी धुतो. I washed dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली होती. I will wash dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली असेल. I am washing dishes. मी भांडी धुत आहे. I was washing dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली होती. I will be washing dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली असेल. I have washed dishes. मी भांडी धुत होतो. I had washed dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली होती. I will have washed dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली असेल. ओके. I have been washing dishes. मी भांडी धुत आलेली होती. मी भांडी धुत आलेली आहे. सॉरी. I had been washing dishes. मी भांडी धुतलेली होती. मी भांडी धुत आलेली होती. ओके. I will have been washing dishes. मी भांडी धुत आलेली असेल. मी भांडी धुत आलेली असेल. This is a 12 tense. Okay. It is a very easy. It is not difficult. You have 1 day, 2 day, you have 4 day, you have let's practice, and you have understand, and you have 1 day you have 12 tense is the let's speak. Okay. Tenses is the very easy, and you have learned these the tenses, and you have speak. Okay. You are the helpful the speaking practice. These the tenses. I have the learn this the grammar, and I have the speak to English. I am not fluently speaker, but I have the little bit the speak English. Okay. You have start now, and you have speak now. You have daily practice. You have 1 day you have definitely you have speaking, and you have talking to English. Thank you watching this my video. My video is the like and subscribe. Bye bye.